Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing prawn and okra curry. The prawns and okra look so delicious and tempting. So let's get started with the ingredients. Ingredients for the masala paste and the ingredients for the curry. Preparation. First, wash, dry and cut the okra into pieces. Slit each piece on one side. Next, clean, devein and wash the prawns. Add salt and set aside to marinate. And lastly, add all the ingredients for the masala paste to a grinding jar. Add the required amount of water and grind into a fine paste. Method. Heat oil in a wok. Add onions and fry until it becomes translucent. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt and fry. Add curry leaves and green chillies and fry until the onions become light brown. Add in the tomatoes and fry until it becomes soft and pulpy. Drop in the ground masala and fry well. Add in the masala water and hot water, cover and bring to boil. The masala water is nothing but just the water that was used to rinse the grinding jar. Drop in the okra, cover and cook for a couple of minutes. Remember, do not overcook as the okra must still be crisp when served. Drop in the prawns and cook for a couple of minutes. Add salt, coconut milk powder, aromatic salt, tamarind pulp, and kokum. Cover and simmer. Garnish with coriander and slit green chillies. Taste. Add salt and tamarind pulp if required. Serve with boiled rice and fresh salad or any other accompaniment of your choice. And enjoy! If you liked this simple and easy recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.